ticket speed limit's 35. You're going 53 this morning.
It was 3 people in front of me, man. I want to record this because this is outrageous.
Okay. You have your driver's license and insurance? Okay, you're going 53 and a 35.
Can you show me? Yeah. I'm asking you, can you show me?
It'll be on the camera for court.
I know. I want to see the camera now.
I can't do that.
Can I see your? Can I speak to your supervisor?
Sure. You have your driver's license and insurance?
I'm asking for a supervisor.
I need your driver's license.
I'm asking for a supervisor. Can I see a supervisor, please?
Sure. I'll take you all morning.
Not emergency. She's just not cooperative at all.
Supervisor's on the way. I need your ID. Ma'am, I've asked for your ID repeatedly. So, you don't have an ID?
What's up with this girl?
She's mad.
What? Did you give her a ticket?
Well, I mean, you didn't want. She stopped her and said she was going 53 and a 35, and she refused to give me her ID. She started requesting a supervisor from the start.
You want to try again? Is the Sarge on his way?
He's on his way from the 5th floor.
Okay. I'm going to see if she'll get near. Did you give the other officer your ID, ma'am? I can't hear you. You have rights too, but we don't have to show you that stuff, ma'am.
You don't have to show me, so I don't have to show proof ID.
No, it doesn't work that. It doesn't work that way, ma'am. Ma'am, just hear me out for a second, in case you didn't know. We don't have to show you our stuff. She just told you that you did. Ma'am, we don't have to show you our radar equipment. No, we don't.
He's asking for your ID, dear.
No, we don't, ma'am.
If I want to verify. How you gonna accuse me? It was officer. Listen, it was cars in front of me. How did she pick me out of all the people?
I just explained all that to you, and yes, I did, ma'am. Because we don't have to show you what our radar stuff reading is. No, we don't, ma'am. Maybe for court, but not right now. And you said this is a rental?
Yep. It's going. Oh, very poorly for you, dear.
Okay, I got time. So can I speak to your supervisor? Can you bring your supervisor out?
They're en route. Okay. Try to get all this resolved without a supervisor.
That's fine. I'll just run the plate and start the site and mirror the site. Comes back to run this.
No idea. No idea what you're saying.
It's one of those mornings.
Messing around with these good citizens up here.
It's just one of those mornings that...
Yeah, I want you to also understand that by refusing to give your ID, you'll be subject to arrest. Or you will go to jail. If that's what you're waiting for to provide identification, you can be arrested for not providing your ID. Okay. Try it. Please keep your hands visible during the traffic stop. Put your hand on the steering wheel. You can record with the other hand, but take that other hand. Yep. Fantastic. I appreciate that, dear. Thank you very much. That's wonderful. I still can't hear you because this window is up. Sometimes they do. Sometimes. Under threat of arrest, I will provide ID.
Did she keep walking up?
That's what we do, ma'am. On a traffic stop, we walk up.
I didn't do anything wrong. How can you prove that?
It's on my LiDAR gun. I do.
I still have no idea what you are saying, but I appreciate you for putting it up. Okay. I can't. What are you saying? No, I cannot. You're currently. This is a traffic stop.
What's your name?
Ma'am, I can't hear anything you're saying with your window up.
What's your name? I'm asking for your name.
Riley, right here on my. See, right there. Can you read?
Riley?
Yep, there you go.
Yeah, probable cause of a traffic infraction. What's that? Yeah.
Speeding.
Instead of providing your ID and possibly getting a speeding ticket, your car's now getting towed. That's correct. Because you're refusing to provide your identification. No, you did not provide your identification. That is what you did do. I believe she said you were speeding.
I don't know how you guys do it. I could not do it. I just don't have
But the patience, yeah.
If that cracks in the window, my taser's going in. I'll put your ass out one way or another. I'm serious. I ain't got time for this shit.
Oh man, there's always one somewhere.
People that might really need your guys' help. This bullshit.
Yeah.
Man, this could have gone completely different. That was on you. And there's no reason. You have refused to provide your ID.
And I didn't even do anything. You stated that
You say you didn't do anything.
I watch those videos and I'm like, what in the hell does this world come to? Where a cop can't do their job.
Yeah, I know.
Plan, push your window down.
Dear, I'm gonna give you a lawful order to step out of the vehicle.
Yeah, more people are going to show up. She's calling her family.
Time to move her from the car. 13. Ma'am, I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the vehicle. Okay? Lawful order to step out of the vehicle. You're failing to provide your ID at a lawful traffic stop, which is a crime. Okay. So, ma'am, you've been given plenty of opportunities here. Are you going to provide your ID? Are you going to provide your ID?
Are you serious?
Absolutely. Are you going to provide your ID?
For what? What did I do wrong?
Speeding.
Oh my God! Ah! Oh my God!
Please step out.
No, I didn't do anything wrong. Okay. I didn't even do anything
Wait,
wrong. Oh my God! This is crazy. Oh my God!
Put your hands together like a frame.
Wow! Are you serious? Oh yeah.
It's on the.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, switch your legs for me. Nick, come this way.
I got a case for it back.
All right. Have a seat.
That is no problem whatsoever.
That's what it's here for.
Why do I have a seat when there's all this stuff right there?
Scoot in around it. You're fine. Here. Hey, have a
I'm
seat.
trying to sit down, ma'am.
Put your legs in.
The date was September 5th, 2025, and at 8:15 a.m., a routine speeding stop turned into a high-stakes standoff. An officer pulled over a driver clocked going 53 in a 35-mile-per-hour zone, but instead of handing over her license, the woman immediately became defiant. She repeatedly refused to identify herself, demanding to see the officer's radar gun and insisting on a supervisor. Despite clear warnings that refusing to provide ID is an arrestable offense, the driver rolled up her windows and sat in silence. Even after a supervisor arrived and explained that officers aren't required to show radar equipment on the shoulder of the road, she remained uncooperative. After a final lawful order to exit the vehicle was ignored, officers were forced to break the window to remove her. She was arrested for obstruction of official business. As she was transported to the county jail, she continued to protest her innocence, unaware that her refusal to comply had turned a simple ticket into a criminal record. Subscribe for more videos and get the latest deep dives into the archives of Bodycam Reel files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.